Expanding on C&K's Switch IQ with a focus on innovation and quality, today we'd like to highlight the ZMW series miniature sealed snap-acting switches. These switches ensure a quick contact transition no matter the actuation speed, with a long stroke setting and twin sliding contacts designed for long life and up to 3 millimeters of over travel, making the ZMW versatile in a variety of customer applications. At C&K, we understand that the form factor and human or machine interfaces are important aspects of any switch, so the ZMW are designed to be compact with a noiseless operation, unlike typical snap switches offered by the market. This makes them ideal for silent detect applications. As always with C&K, you can even build the exact switch you need by choosing different contact plating materials, silver or gold, actuator types, pin plunger or lever type, one of 8 termination types, and 3 different switch configurations. As a result of these many options, the small size, soundless operation, and availability of an IP67 protected version, these snap-acting switches can be utilized in a wide array of applications, from industrial and automotive applications to the home appliance fields. To learn more about C&K's Switch IQ and the ZMW series of snap-acting switches, please visit us at ckswitches.com.